Hello everyone, welcome back to Spara YouTube channel. You know guys that floating keyboard is the split keyboard float above the screen and can be located anywhere on the screen. And it's small, elegant, and occupies almost less screen space, and it looks even better. And you can move it and resize it with intuitive drag and drop. Alright, now I'm gonna show you how to turn on floating keyboard on Infinix Gt10 Pro easily. Alright, firstly you have to go to Notepad like this, and if you are using Google Keyboard or Gboard, so if you want to turn on the floating keyboard, you must go to the settings over here. You can click and then you can click floating over there. You can click and then the keyboard will change to the floating keyboard like this. You can move it by pressing the line on the bottom like this, and you can resize also. And if you are using default keyboard, you can click on emojis one like this, and you can scroll down until you found floating keyboard. You can click and then your keyboard will turn to floating keyboard. And you can do the same for move the keyboard by pressing the line over there, and you're done. Alright, here's the tutorial on how to turn on floating keyboard on Infinix Gt10 Pro, and thank you so much for watching.